So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram reel or video on your phone. You can actually delete any reel or video you've posted, and the process is really simple. The first thing you want to do is open Instagram and then go to your profile. You can do that by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. That will open up your profile page. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the three-line menu button. From the menu that appears, select Your Activity. Inside Your Activity, scroll down until you see the option called Content You've Shared, or sometimes it just says Content. Tap on that. Now here, you'll see different types of posts you've shared on your account. Go ahead and select Reels or Videos, depending on what you want to remove. This will show you all the reels or videos you've posted. From here, tap on Select in the top right corner. Then choose the reel or video you want to delete. If you want to remove just one, simply select it, and you should see the Delete option at the bottom. Tap Delete, and then confirm by tapping Delete again. You can also delete multiple reels or videos at the same time. For example, if you have several you no longer want on your profile, just select all of them at once, tap Delete and confirm, and they'll all be removed in one go. And that's basically how you delete Instagram reels or videos from your phone. Thanks for watching.